Hi, I'm Mia from Dermalogica, and I'm here to tell you all about why Precleanse is an absolute staple in my skincare routine and show you how to use it. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup and liquid lipstick on. This would take so long to remove if we weren't using Precleanse, but since we're using Precleanse and doing the Dermalogica double cleanse, I'll be left with super clean skin and no makeup. Precleanse removes the toughest, long-lasting liquid lipstick. I wear a ton of super dark shades and it just melts them right off. It saves me so much time, it's amazing. To use Precleanse, just apply one pump and massage it all over dry skin. This is super important because if your face is damp at all, it won't work as well. Next, I dampen my hands and massage my face again to emulsify the oil and remove all my makeup. It should turn a white, milky color when it comes into contact with water. Once I've massaged my face to emulsify, I'm going to wash. To make sure I'm removing all my makeup and really giving my pores a deep cleanse, I'm going to follow up with special cleansing gel, aka the Dermalogica Double Cleanse. Even though I just double cleansed, my skin doesn't feel tight or dry at all. It still feels really hydrated. So I'll just follow up with my Dermalogica moisturizer and wake up with super clean, fresh skin.